Hi,
Dito kasi.
Ah! Kumusta na?
I'm happy for you.
Ah, nakita din tayo ulit sa wakas finally. Ikaw pa talaga nag-drive papunta dito.
Oo. Usually ayoko mag-drive eh kasi ang hirap mag-park.
Kaya nga. Ikit mo si Lara. Halika na po, dito tayo. Kamusta na, tita? Ito, masaya-masaya at nakarating dito sa... Ha?
Masarap ang buhay mo, pasyal-pasyal.
Pasyal-pasyal hanggat kaya po. Namiss ko na nga yung Coco Bar ninyo eh.
Gumawa ka.
Ay, oo, gumawa lang ako once.
Oh, that's good.
Oo. Like, kasi binigyan nyo naman kami ng ingredients.
Yeah.
Good morning guys. Today is a bright sunny Tuesday and we're on our way to Michael Jordan's house somewhere here in Chicago. And after that, we'll visit the Michigan Lake. Tama ba?
Lake Michigan.
Lake Michigan. Kaya mag-boating me.
So, ang balay ni Michael Jordan nasa Highland Park,
Okay.
Highland Park, Illinois. And that's where we go boating to.
Okay, nice.
Yeah, and that's where we work too.
Doon
On the same place.
So, that's where we're going for today's activities. And kaganiyang buntag, na-meet na ako si Tita Beng, ang mama ni Lara. Yeah. So, kanang pila na ko ka-days diri? 7 days na dahil ko diri sa Kuan, sa USA. Naka 1 week na ko. Today is Tuesday. Naabot na ta diri sa Highland Parks?
Yeah, Highland Park.
Highland Park. So, gate pa lang, makaibalo na dyan kang kinsa ng balay, oh. Na nakabutang 23. So, naata karon diri sa balay ni Michael Jordan, no?
When he was playing for Chicago.
Yeah, Chicago Bulls. So, iyan ni property tanan diri live ako kayo.
I don't know if I think that's his neighbor. Kaya mo na yung gate.
So diri ra. Okay, naata. Welcome sa akong mansion, guys. Wala oy, pasilip be sa balay ni Michael Jordan. Nahalin naman daw ni siya bag-o lang na nagi daw ning palit finally kay si Michael Jordan na ana sa Florida. Look at his place. Driveway lang tataman makikita og diri lang ta sa gate nga na nakabutang 23. Thank you, Lara, for bringing me here. Ang gate, guys, kinaning sulod na mag-trim sa mga kahoy. Look.
Landscaper.
Mag-landscape. Lami ang sulod eh. So, dili na taman. At least nakita na to ang yung driveway. So, dili makita ang balay kay. Nag-close na ang gate. Bye-bye. Close. Hindi kasulod. Michael Jordan's old house. Adto na mi. Now we're going to the lake. Kaya mag-boating mi today. Kaya init kayong adlaw. Perfect time for boating sa Michigan. Lake Michigan. Okay.
The closer you are to the water.
The nicer the house.
Hey, look at this.
Wow. The nice ani nga driveway. Wow. No? Nice guy.
Ano ni ang kuan? Old money ng tawag sa ilang.
Old money.
Yeah.
So paduol na ta sa lake lay.
Yes.
Wala na may balay. Doon tubig na gid ay. We're close to the lake, Lake Michigan. Abot na mi sa mo na ang boat ni Lara. Yay, I'm gonna experience boating here in Lake Michigan. Launching the boat. Boat launching process commencing.
Long process.
How to launch a boat on the water. So, i-drive siya, padulong, i-atras, and then iguyod nila. That's it. Then we have a boat on the water. Okay. Just like that. Finished. Yay! Boating begins now! Hello Lara! Hello Sean! So, muna ito mga panay sa mga dato dito. Woo! Let's do this! Okay, si Lara kay mag wake surfing. Here she goes.
In a 57-degree water. Who's the crazy person?
So, inana din na guys. Oh my gosh.
Alright?
Ready? Woo! There she goes. Wow! Ang galing! Wow! Ano din na mag-wake surfing, oh. Wow! Buhay na niya ron ang tali.
Up to the skies and see. I'm just a poor boy beneath those dirty
Wow!
easy go, little high, little low. Anyway the wind goes doesn't really matter.
Alalay, oy! Galing! Woo!
Just kill the man.
So, puli na po. Si Lara na po mag-drive. Si Sean na po ang mag-wakeboard. Fahrenheit water. Negative or not? Just 57. Okay.
Negative will die.
Sorry.
Not the stuff we have.
So, we'll see kung mag-gets na ko ang positioning and whatever.
Yes.
Kung makatindog
You
ko.
can get up, yeah.
And maybe di lang ko mamuhi sa tali.
Right, yeah.
Okay.
Just on her camera video? Yeah, I guess send it to us.
Okay.
Say, I'm
Kaya mo yan, Sel. Go, go, go.
57-degree water. I'm out there.
Pero, we will never know unless you try.
Yes.
Kumbaga, you only failed when you failed to try.
That's right.
So, dili pwede mo uli o Pilipinas nga, wa na ko nila sa layan yung ilahang summer fun daw. So, I can go in now?
Yeah, over there. So it's went over to this side.
Okay. Okay, so let me go down. Woo! Katugnaw! My God! It's so cold! Dog ice!
It really is.
So,
Because,
na ko?
yeah.
Tugnawa kayo! Woo! Ay,
Okay.
tugnawan kayo!
Because imagine, Sal, there was snow on this lake before.
Wait, hold on, hold on.
Okay.
It's fine. You gotta rest your feet on it. Yeah.
Good job, Sal.
Okay, just real quick. I know, just wait. You're okay. Wait, is that board facing the right way?
Yes.
Huh?
Yes.
Nasa
way?
kumaban ko. Okay, Rani?
Sure. Is she going out to this side?
After all that instruction,
Alright,
Yellow,
right?
yellow na ko.
our arms straight.
No. You're not straight.
Oh, no.
Grab your rope with the other hand. I'll get a little more long. No. You can't go up to the side. You gotta keep.
Love, she's on the wrong side.
I know,
She has to
but-
go here.
It'll throw the boat. It'll throw over there. There you go. That's it. No, more. Yes, like that. All right, here we go. 3.
Oh no.
Perpendicular.
Guys,
The board is abandoned.
abandoned ship. It was a failure.
You want to go?
I can't make it. It's very cold.
Okay.
Hey guys, tugnaw kayo. That was it. Ayaw nyo na? No more for you? It's very cold?
Too cold.
Yeah, it's so cold
Yeah.
and
I don't feel like dying.
and I did not make it yet. Not today.
Next time.
Next time.
Maybe next time. And it's not
Next
this
trip.
cold and
Yeah.
maybe at least I have the try na test the waters. Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you, Sean.
yeah.
So much for the beautiful
Imagine
experience.
this was like frozen lake.
Yes.
Not frozen, but like chunks of
I
ice.
still feel cold. I saw my legs in the water. It's like color
Oh,
yellow already.
the water.
Guys, that's it for our boating adventure for today. Undang nami kay Tugnaw kaayo. Lara just did 2 rounds of wake surfing and Sean only 1. And me, nothing. But I tried.
round.
1 round. But I was not able to really stand and everything.
Okay.
But it's okay. I tried.
Right.
Thank you, thank you.
That's all that matters.
You have to come back.
I have to come back. So kaganina, gilaunch na mo ang boat now. Balik na pag mi og unlaunch. What do you call this process? Docking.
Docking. Yeah.
We're docking the boat. Okay. Boating activity done. Docking process now. Hi Lara. So this is how they dock the boat. So that's it. Then bring in the car and then park all the way there. Okay, thank you Lake Michigan for that fun experience. Happy to experience this even for a moment because tugnaw kayo, dili na ko kaya. Just like that, we're going home for now. Pick up call and then do another pickleball session this afternoon and then lacrosse. Another court. Sa lacrosse.
Yeah, we'll just do it public because we're doing one-on-one. Okay.
So daghan siya silang trees diri guys. Unta idihapot sa toa Pilipinas. Magtanom na ta uy sa mga village nato. Okay, ganiin nyo ang mga drives. Hina niyo ba?
The canopy,
Yeah, oh. It's everywhere. It's everywhere jud sa tanang mga subdivision ninyo even streets nga kuan good. Walay hawan ba? Okay, now it's 8:10 in the evening. Evening na ba tawag ninyo kahit inani na? So it's 8:10 in the evening, still hayag here. Balik-balik nga hayag. Dugay pa din ako mag-gets nga hayag pa jud dili pa gabiin sa ato ah.
Yeah.
So just going to a drive-through to Portillo's to get some hot dog na siya, no?
Dog. Yeah.
Chicago, famous Chicago hot dogs. So, marag na-check na nato tanan ng mga nasa bucket list na food, no? I think so.
Yung
Ay, ang
gusto kong Panda Express.
and hummus pa di ay.
Ang hummus. Oh, yeah.
Anyway, ma-check na nato ang Chicago dog. So, let's do it. So, karon medyo naka-rest lang mi og tarong sa hapon after the boat trip kay Ipang Kapoy and then we skip the pickleball thing. But it's okay.
Yeah.
Just enjoy the dinner and then rest again. Tomorrow again.
Yes.
So we're now
It
at
used to be just from
Portillo's.
Chicago.
Okay. What do you lang start? Muna i-prepare ito ano na.
Not yet.
That's how they
The
prepare
Chicago dog.
Chicago dog. That's it. Have upper kilos now. Welcome. Oli na mi kay sa baleta di mga out. Let's go. Oh, matilawan na nako ilahang beef, Italian beef, and this is the Chicago dog and tortillas, rice, and my beer. I think I like the